Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, October 16th, 2023. It is 12:27 and 23 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, immunity, and cancer. So let's jump to it here. As we think, can immunity from routine vaccines be used to fight cancer? Promising treatment with bacterial delivery system. Date October 10th, 2023. Source, University of Massachusetts. A team has demonstrated, in theory, that a protein antigen from a childhood vaccine can be delivered into the cells of a malignant tumor to refocus the body's immune system against the cancer, effectively halting it and preventing its recurrence. The idea is that everybody is vaccinated with a whole bunch of things, and if you can take that immunization and target it towards a cancer, you can use it to eliminate the cancer. As cancers obviously aren't going to display viral molecules on their surface, so the question was, can we take a molecule inside the cancer cell using salmonella and then have the immune system attack that cancer cell as if it was an invading virus? And to test their theory that this immune treatment could work, the research collaborators genetically engineered ID salmonella to deliver whole albumin, chicken egg protein, into the pancreatic tumor cells of mice that had been immunized with the albumin vaccine. The researchers showed that the albumin disperses throughout the cytoplasm of cells in both culture and tumors. The albumin then triggered an antigen-specific T-cell response in the cytoplasm that attacked the cancer cells. The therapy cleared 43% of established pancreatic tumors, increased survival, and prevented tumor reimplantation. They had complete cure in 3 out of 7 of the pancreatic mice models. They are really excited about that. It dramatically extended survival. The team then attempted to reintroduce pancreatic tumors in immunized mice. The results were exceedingly positive. None of the tumors grew, meaning that the mice had developed an immunity, not just to the albumin, but to the cancer itself. The immune system has learned that the tumor is immunogenic. The scientific investigators and microbiologists are doing further work to figure out how that is actually happening. In preliminary research, the team previously showed that injecting the modified salmonella into the bloodstream effectively treated liver tumors in mice. They advanced their findings with the current research on pancreatic tumors. And before clinical trials can begin, the researchers will repeat the experiments on other animals and refine the ID salmonella strain to ensure its safety for use in humans. Liver cancer will be the first target, followed by pancreatic cancer. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.